Sign up for the simple return 100% fraud 9569. Ooh, illegal fucking transactions on housing fucking transition bonds with our Rawlings Way group. Oh, look, Heartland Memorial Group. Let's plaster everybody on pole 390. Blows. Oh, prison security block. Look, Miss Cottonwood, your Derek Pants is fucking mainlined a man on 17425 fucking airstrip field, which lands over here in Raleigh, California on your Delorme Atlas Gazetteer map. There's Miss fucking Kim Butler frauds, fucking the Pace Butler fucking phone corporation, regurgitated fucking gas car. She blew an asshole out of a man. Oh, Mr. Goodyear, fucking squatters' rights. Can fucking relocate your information for your General Electric Washington fucking tickler system back to Asagiandos and fucking Medicus baseline. Oh, P.O. Box 129831, San Diego, California, 92112. As we recircuit the whole fucking United States fucking military fucking storage yard, and it disperses at 25,000 feet in the air, you can stick your fucking, oh, look, our little girl teaches people how to fly airplanes and fucking simulators. Our little girl fucking stole a fucking one-armed fucking helicopter that's fucking everything up. Oh, Miss fucking MacArthur cross lines at Highway 111. Oh, Essie Camo. Oh, now she's Braley. Oh, look, we hooked somebody up with our Air Marabic fucking card. El Segundo, Chemical Nueva from Mexico. There we have George Bailey hooked up in a fucking little shack. Who used to be who? Oh, look, bounty hunter, fucking George. Mr. Stallman came up missing. Senior, oh, 100% fraudulent Stallman bonds. Let's put that on fucking our Isaac model. Mr. Fair Isaac model, City of Sandai, rolling our fucking corporate fucking dice at the fucking Paradise fucking now closed, what was that? Now closed 5885 Madison Avenue. Comes our H&R fucking district fucking Kazi Kamel fucking gilding fucking men's society with the Isaac model axe. Oh, and she switched what? Brad Isaac for what? Oh, the Nova Scotian cunts come in at 8171. Finishing their AB fucking fraudulent fucking pilot program at the 8117 medical fucking x-ray switch, giving cancer to every one of our children at the fucking McDonald's Center. What do we fucking teach people how to fucking take out lungs and cut off limbs for a stupid cunt? Oh, if you don't like that policy, try the Medigap policy. Reporting 100% fraud. Oh, all the way back from 1999 is Miss Carol Standers. We can get an audio tape on this. You want the commit line? Commit fucking, our fucking Israeli, Arabic, fucking Adigo Buddha has a husband that likes to fucking execute fucking white men. White men and women. Ooh, she's the committer fucking anti-abuse fucking fraud at her court. Oh, look, wonderful. Bupropion Senior and Bupropion HCl. 100% catching your Florida fraud guns from fucking their NASA fucking space car. Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, 7500 Security Boulevard, Baltimore, Maryland, 21244. That's the 1850 switch. Here we have our CIA director. What a cunt. She fucking likes to take babies. Oh, look, and she sells them. It's Cabbage Patch Kids. Oh, Part B of your chemical fucking others rights is your fucking third level, 30-year fucking fraud on your generic fucking pharmacy. As we use a psycho fucking system and fucking name fucking people after their fucking people's daily fucking assault, cunt fuck one and uses her eye drops that close birthing chutes that's fucking at Grossmont. What a cunt. She likes to slip them back in her pocket after she blinds the children. Well, as we support this group, we can see this is a non-functioning society, and we're going to have to credit the fucking drug coverage group for their fucking ergonomics.